I could see him from fucking. That's another 20-incher.
Jeez, Joe. Yeah, just take your time with him.
As soon as you pulled him up.
Back out here for another morning. Outdoors is life, baby.
That was quick.
Yeah, take your time with him.
Yeah, he's big. I saw how big he was.
I got my net in the car too.
That's definitely 20-incher.
Holy shit, dude.
I saw, like I said, as soon as you got him, pulled him up, I saw how big he was. That motherfucker is big.
Holy
Dude.
crap.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Yeah, he's big. That's a nice one.
Oh. Jay, we gotta get in and get that.
No, we don't. He'll get tired.
Oh shit. It's just going under the log. Now there we go. There we go. Dude.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap. Easily 3 pounds.
Be careful with that line.
Jeez.
Oh my goodness.
Holy
what
God.
Hit early.
What were you saying? You ain't never caught a fish
Yeah,
here?
fuck yeah, look at that shit.
Oh my goodness.
God damn.
Jeez.
There's some pigs in here.
Yeah, I told you they had a great stocking.
Woo, and I don't have my fucking stringer.
Nope. Oh, I got one in my bag actually. I got the 20-footer or something like that, Jay. I got the big one.
Holy moly, bro.
Power bait, right?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Holy crap.
God damn.
And that's probably not even the one jumping over there. That's probably not even the one that was jumping over there.
There might be a good amount here, EJ.
Yeah.
Still.
Jeez.
Some bitch. You get a picture?
I got video.
Okay.
And then I'll just send you the picture.
Okay, cool.
I need to get that measuring tape on my rod now. Or at least put a little tape on there where I measure 12, 14, 16, 20.
That's definitely, that's like 20 inches.
Yeah.
Easily 3 pounds.
10 minutes.
Son of a bitch.
A little windy. It's been raining the last 3-4 days. It's been terrible. We thought the river, or at least the creek, would be a lot bigger, a lot higher. But it's actually pretty perfect.
Fuck it. I'm cutting your bitch ass.
To be continued. Hey, my first rainbow out of the new pond. Well, I guess you can call it a pond. New area, new lake.
Had to learn how to fish it.
But
Does that sound like number 2?
it does to me.
Number 2. Bigger number 2.
Can't complain. Oh yeah. Number 3. Number 3. Had to change my setup. Had to get new hooks, different bait. Talked to a couple people around here. Now I'm catching them.